So hey guys, welcome back to the channel TechBee. So guys, in this video we are going to see what is space complexity. Okay, so basically this video is our algorithm playlist. This video is from our algorithm playlist. If you don't know that algorithm course was running on our channel, so we can access it. The link given in the description. Algorithm full course, algorithm complete course you can get. So this is our lecture number 2 from our algorithm complete course. So in this video we are going to discuss what is space complexity and why do we need space complexity and some examples. So after this video I think you fully understand that what is space complexity, okay, in easy term also. uh, so without wasting our time, let's start our video. So guys, first of all we are going to see what is space complexity. So space complexity has I have written definition here that space complexity complexity is the total amount of memory space used by any algorithm, including the space of input values for execution. Okay, in simple terms, I have written here space complexity is total amount of memory space for any algorithm. If you written any algorithm, then the variables which was used in that algorithm, that is the space. Okay, so amount of space required for running that algorithm. If you run any algorithm on any computer machine, then some space is required for that algorithm. Okay, so whatever the space required for that algorithm, that is the space complexity. So here I have simple term written here that space complexity is called auxiliary space plus space used by input values. Some many students were confused between the space complexity and auxiliary space. So below I have written a definition that auxiliary space is just a temporary or extra space. Okay, auxiliary space is nothing but just a temporary space which was used in that algorithm. That auxiliary space plus space used by input values both combined, then that will become space complexity. Okay, I think you have understood what is space complexity. If you not understood what is space complexity, but in simple definition, if anyone asks you that what is space complexity, in simple you can say that the number of amount of space used by any algorithm, that is space complexity. In simple term we can say this. After this one question we will see that examples also. After seeing that example, you will confirm that, you will surely understand that what is space complexity and not a problem that. Okay, so first of all we need to know that why we need space complexity. So similar to time complexity. So what is time complexity? After this video I will discuss what is time complexity. So don't worry, time complexity is nothing but a time taken by how space complexity, that is space taken by any algorithm, that's like only time taken by any algorithm. Okay, so space complexity also plays a crucial role in determining the efficiency of an algorithm. Space complexity very important term. Okay, in determining any efficiency of what is efficiency of algorithm. If you given any problem, okay, so for designing algorithm for that problem there is many ways. If we have given two people to solve any problem, the two people can solve in two ways. Both method were different. Both algorithm was different. So how to see which algorithm was better? We see by algorithm efficiency only. Okay, so space complexity is also very important term. uh, these both was same question. So now we will see an example. now we will see an Now we'll see an examples. Okay, so this is basic C program which I have written. That this program was doing nothing but it was calculating sum of two numbers. That two number was a b. So what this program was doing is that in a there is a 5, in a there is 5, and in b there is 5. Here I have written the int a b 5, and the c was c is a variable. So in c what we have doing, we have in C what we are storing, that is sum of a plus b. Sum of a plus b was stored in C, and we are printing the C. So this is basic C program. That's nothing. On output of this program was 10. Basically 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 only. So now we will analyze the space complexity of this algorithm. What is space complexity of this algorithm? So space complexity of this algorithm constant. How constant? Now we will see how constant. In a program I have written the three integer variables are used. As you can see, here three integer variable was used, a b c. the size of the integer data type is 2 or 4 byte. That depend on compiler. Okay, some compiler have 2 bytes for integer variable, and some compiler has 4 byte for integer variable. So here we assume that it is 4 byte. Okay, so here I have written the above program. There is 3 variable, and each variable take 4 bytes. So total how much total how much byte will become? It's become 12 byte, and it is constant always. Okay, is it happen that these programs sometimes take 14 bytes, sometimes take 16 byte? Is not possible, no? So this is constant. Okay, this is constant. So we can say the space complexity of this program is constant. Now consider the same program but different approach. Here we have written same program, it will also calculate the sum only, but here the approach was different. It means algorithm was different. This is n variable, I variable, sum. Here also 3 variable is there. Here also 3 variable is there. But first of all, we have taking the input of n. Here see that scanf n means taking input. So the and we are creating the array of n size. This array size depend on what? This array size depend on value of n. Whatever the value of n was getting from the user, so the array, that much size of array was created. If you give the value of n is 15, then 15 size array was created. If you give the value of n is 20, then 20 size array was created. So how much the size of n, that much time this loop will get executed. If you give the value of n is 10, then 10 times this array will get executed. And we and at last we have printing the sum. So here output also 10, but here space complexity was different. Why? Because here we have already we have used 3 variable here. Wait a minute. Already we have used 3 variable here, so it will become 12 byte. It will become 12 byte. It is 12 byte, but this is also taking space now, and this depends on what? This depends on size value of n. So this is n, and this is 12 byte. So we can say that n means 4 into n. Why 4? Size of one variable. Size of one variable, if size of one integer value depend on compiler, but we are considering here size of one variable is 4. So 4 into n plus 12. This is time function, and this time function can be written as order of n. Okay, so in this paragraph I have written that only. You can read this paragraph. I have written that the program will become 4n plus 12 bytes. So the highest order of n, 4n plus 12 is n. So the space complexity order of n, or we can say a space complexity is linear. We can say both. So that's all in this video. I hope you have understood what is space complexity and these examples. I think you have no doubt regarding any space complexity. So still you have any doubt, you can comment in comment section, or you can directly contact me on Instagram, whose link was given in description. So you can directly contact me, ask me question. If you have any doubt, then I will surely come reply you. Okay, so that's all in this video. We'll see time complexity on next video.